Hey everybody, welcome back. The Toolbox Buzz crew partnered with Stihl this summer to bring you an in-depth review on the new RZ series professional grade zero-turn mowers. We evaluated the RZ 560K mower, putting it through a variety of seasonal grass conditions all the way up to this fall of 2024. Stihl's professional line of mowers feature 3 tiers. The 500 series is an entry level geared towards large landowners, heavy-duty DIYers, lighter commercial folks. 700 series is a general purpose commercial grade line with various deck sizes. And then the last one is the 900 series. That's the largest and most professionally oriented series with premium features such as a full suspension seat as a standard feature, collection bags that are not standard on any of the other models available, but are optional accessories. For full specs on the RZ 560K, please visit toolboxbuzz.com. Website article has way more features than I'm not going to mention here. I will list a few. It's a 60-inch deck, our mower, 5.5 gallon fuel tank, 10 miles an hour forward, 5 miles an hour backwards and reverse for speeds. The deck construction was fabricated with 10 gauge steel and it weighs 1,291 pounds. Some of the standout features, I want to get into those. So let's talk about a few of the standout features. The first would be it has a fast and easy deck adjustment. Professional users require the ability to adjust deck height basically on demand and quickly, right? The Stihl zero-turn mower, they tackle this problem with a robust and intuitive deck adjustment system. Basically, a large foot pedal locks the deck in a secure upright position, then a heavy-duty steel pin is pushed into the slot, and that gives you the desired cutting height. The RZ 560K offers 15 height settings from 1.5 inches all the way up to 5 inches. The settings are clearly labeled and easy to read at 1/4 inch increments. There is USB charging ports. The left side of the mower area features 2 USB-A charging ports with spring-loaded covers. These are invaluable for maybe pro users and homeowners alike, really. Each port is capable of 3.15 amps of power output. Additionally, the 2 cup holders on the left side of the control area include a rectangular kind of cutout slot, which is perfect for a smartphone. This prevents a phone from bouncing out, say, the cup holder area while still being close enough for you to charge it and run a power cable to it or whatever you need to do. Our crew appreciated the small comfort feature basically because, especially if you're using Bluetooth connected hearing protection maybe, or you have access to the phone and your music and your playlist. So we like that. Let's talk about easy access. So there's convenient access to internal components, belt drives, the engine. It's all easy access for cleaning and maintenance. A piston actuator helps lift the seat assembly, while a removable steel panel in the floorboard gives quick access to the belt drive system. This feature was especially useful during post-use cleaning. Stihl also includes kind of an easy drain plug extender for controlled oil draining with minimal mess. A thoughtful detail that our crew really appreciated and really was nice to see. Let's move on to user comfort. User experience is always important. Now, while full suspension seats are often seen as the Cadillac of things, the 560K premium seat and control station offers exceptional comfort. We really liked it. The seat includes dual folding armrests and a well-contoured cushion for the back, for your back and the seat. Stihl's flexible suspension delivers a ride experience very similar to a suspension seat, far smoother than traditional rigid mowers, rigid chassis mowers. The control handles are positioned close to the armrest, allowing for easy actuation with minimal arm movement. They are height adjustable, but we couldn't really find a setting where the operator could rest their arms on the armrest and still control the mower. So this leaves the operator's arms awkwardly kind of suspended like a T-Rex during operation. There's an LED light system. So it's equipped with 2 powerful LED work lights on the front chassis, and it's controlled by a single switch off your master control panel. The factory feature is a great addition for all users. During testing, the lights allowed us to navigate and cut grass in near pitch black conditions, providing excellent visibility. I want to talk a little bit about speed and maneuverability. Stihl's focus on engineering and quality is clear on all their tools, but With an independent front suspension and a rear shock absorber system, it delivers a very smooth ride across all terrain. The mower handles like a German sports car, flexing into turns with precision. The Kawasaki motor, though modest in its 24 horsepower, is known for its durability and pairs perfectly with the Hydro Gear's Transaxle. This combo provides instant control feedback to you, allowing the mower to reach 10 miles per hour with ease. Its responsiveness really did impress us, offering a driver experience more like an off-road vehicle than a typical lawnmower. We'll talk a little bit about turf burnout. It's fast and responsive. Yes, I said that. And it comes with a cost, though, because you can get frequent skidding due to the rear axle's quick reaction. Performing a 3-point turn without leaving skid marks is challenging, especially at the end of a row. Now, while keeping the mower moving forward helps, it's not always practical in specific patterns or situations. So our crew had to nearly stop and make a slow turn to avoid grass damage. And that was a task that was tough in wet conditions. Let's talk about cutting performance. The RZ560 delivered exceptional cutting performance to match its speed. During testing, our crew noted its ability to consistently produce clean, even cuts, even at near maximum speed on average dry grass. That's an impressive feat. The mower's advanced suspension system includes a deck compensator, allowing that deck to kind of float and adjust with terrain changes. This proved particularly useful on uneven areas like a steep bank of a pond where we absolutely expected to see scalping. Despite our efforts, the 60-inch deck never scalped the grass, eliminating the need for follow-up trimming. In dry conditions, the discharge system effectively broadcast clippings for even clearing a driveway like a blower. However, the powerful discharge contributes to operating noise levels, actually, and it kind of exceeded 120 decibels during use, so keep that in mind. Let's talk about bogging down on wet grass. Heavy rainfall, humidity, southern New England, summertime, it led to thick, wet grass during testing, and we challenged the mower to see how it performed. The Kawasaki engine did bog down under load, and clumps of grass kind of struggled to discharge, leaving uneven cuts and clumps behind. In such conditions, the RZ560K struggled. A better option maybe in those type of situations might be the 552, which offers smaller 52-inch deck or a more powerful 27 horsepower engine, or a similar model with the same 24 horsepower engine, maybe with a smaller deck. Balance and weight distribution. I want to talk about that. The mower is comfortable for the operator position. It's got excellent maneuverability around obstacles. However, the rear end, it's heavy and it does create some issues. Rapid acceleration causes the mower to kind of sag backwards, leading to skid marks, and it occasionally struggles to gain traction in reverse. Despite this, overall weight distribution pretty much felt stable and sturdy. Steel roll bar obviously is there for extra safety as well. Let's move on to price. Premium price set and performance for this mower. It comes with a heavy price tag at $11,199 this fall. While expensive for homeowners, it's built for commercial daily use and offers longevity and durability. Stihl's network of dealers provide excellent sales and support, and they're a key resource for both homeowners and commercial users alike. Financing is available through the dealers as well, which is great. Final thoughts. Our testing crews really loved the speed, agility, and comfort of the RZ560K. The mower, it's fun to operate and offers unmatched suspension and control. However, it did struggle with thick, wet grass due to the large 60-inch deck, so a lot of stuff to cut. Smaller 52-inch deck might have been better in that situation, or a more powerful 700 series, but that's a higher price tag. The 560, it's perfect for large property owners or commercial contractors who want speed and efficiency. Stihl's attention to detail and strong customer support make this mower a solid choice in the right conditions. Let's talk about attention to detail and strong customer support for a second. Stihl's commitment to quality is evident throughout the build of this RZ560K. During our testing, all 3 of the blades came loose and were damaged. Stihl, they quickly addressed the issue. They offered excellent support, and they basically ensured that it didn't happen again. While machines aren't flawless, Stihl's decision to make things right is something Toolbox Buzz can fully support and get behind. So kudos to Stihl. Really nice machine. Highly recommend it. They make great stuff, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please just give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Love hearing from you guys. Let us know if you use Stihl equipment and tools. And please consider subscribing and help support this channel. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you next time. Take care.